Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony Wall Street Trader. It's 12:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, October 1st, 2021. Here to talk about Ethereum. Let's just go into the disclaimer. It's not financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe bell to be notified of these videos. Click the thumbs up and share the video. Let people know about this price action discussion we're talking about for Ethereum. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below. Let's move forward. Okay, happy Friday, by the way. And man, it's a happier Friday today because Bitcoin's certainly taking a turn for the better. But we're here to talk about Ethereum, and Ethereum's up modestly. And by modestly, I mean it's really the price action on Ethereum has been driven by Bitcoin today. If you look over here, I just want everyone to observe one thing. Number one, Ethereum US dollar is really a combination of two inputs. One is Ethereum Bitcoin, the other is Bitcoin US dollar. Notice how the majority of the price action on the way up is driven by Bitcoin, over 7.5%, whereas Ethereum Bitcoin, which is what I call the inner strength of Ethereum, really didn't rally that much. And we're going to go into that in a second. But let's take a look at Ethereum US dollar while we have it here. We're still in this channel, and we definitely kind of bounced off that trend line, or, there was a little buffer in between, a little bit of airspace between the invisible line of support and the actual line of support that kind of goes all the way back to the beginning of March of 2020. So we're still on an upward trajectory. I anticipate this weekend we get another big bullish signal out of Bitcoin, as well as even the altcoin market. We'll go into that too. Okay, we talked about Ethereum Bitcoin in the past. We're still in this triangle here, getting a little pressure here. Bitcoin dominance has been going up while Bitcoin's going up, so certainly pulling these Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other altcoin to Bitcoin pairs down. So, but at least Bitcoin itself has been really pulling a lot of the altcoins up with it. So that's the good news. In the meantime, this particular pennant here is showing me that we're probably over the next month or so, month and a half or so, these things usually break out sooner than what's actually drawn in terms of the pennant. So I expect sometime around here in October, late October, for us to really start to signal up. And I think when we spoke about this yesterday, we were talking about a 40% uptick in the underlying Ethereum Bitcoin pair, which correlates to a 40% uptick on the Ethereum to US dollar pair here. I think we also mentioned we'd be up here somewhere in the thick of the channel, slightly below the all-time high. So we're expecting 4,200 on Ethereum US dollar. I'd say give it a couple of months. In my opinion, I think it's going to take between now and the end of the year, we would be around 4,200. But again, I also think that Bitcoin will go up. And let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has been, let me just flip the chart here. We certainly hit the top of the resistance block. And very similarly, we did that back here when we had between the May and August time frame. Very similar line up here in the past is reflecting here as well. So as we've seen in prior patterns, this kind of jerks around for a few days afterwards. So I'd anticipate a little bit of jerking around here too. But I think the resolve is to the upside. In fact, my continued projection for the end of year on Bitcoin is 80,000. Nothing's changed. I would probably revisit that target by the end of October. But right now, everything looks like it's in place. I think we're going to see a nice giant FOMO rally between now and the end of the year. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance, what's going on here? Well, let's see. Bitcoin dominance, certainly we went up pretty steeply, to say the least. At the top of that channel, up to 43 and change, pull back a little bit. This could be another leg up. Bitcoin dominance going up with Bitcoin going up is a very bullish sign, and we have definitely turned the corner. This used to reflect, Bitcoin dominance used to reflect prior to a couple of days ago, was reflecting more of more VIX-like fear. And when Bitcoin dominance would go up, we would see the overall crypto market start to tank. Well, now we're starting to see the reverse of that. While Bitcoin dominance is going up, we're seeing Bitcoin going up and the rest of the market, particularly Bitcoin right now, catching a nice bid. So pretty bullish signals coming out of the Bitcoin dominance pair. That's all I've got. Everybody have a great Friday and a great weekend. We'll catch up tomorrow. Bye.